Hey guys, welcome back to Simply at Home, and today is going to be another unboxing video. This is in Jumbo Alphabet Jigsaw Puzzle. I happened to see this in a store when I went in to pick up some stationery, and for those of you who know me, you know if I see something I just pick it up. If it is going to be useful, I just get to know only later. So let's dive in and see how it looks like on the inside. I also looked it up online. This is also available online. I will leave that details in the description box below. I paid around the full MRP, as it says. It costed me around 600 rupees. I think online is at some discount, I guess, when I happen to see. So since it's a jumbo and it shows a lot of puzzles where the child can understand the tracing, the border, so I looked at it from that angle and picked it up. So we can also do a DIY of it for the puzzle aspect as such, by making the shape of the alphabet, cutting it out into 3-4 pieces. But wow, there it goes. Good. So it's got a border also. So since it's got a border, children who have difficulty understanding that the puzzle, where it starts, how it ends, that should really help children if they find that little difficult to generally assortedly do a puzzle. So this is one thing that I love this by now already. So let's see, and what else is there. What another thing interests me, which we cannot do at home as a DIY, is it's got lovely colorful print. And when we look at it, for every alphabet, it has also got an associated words in it as well. So once a child understands how the mapping of the alphabet happens, we can also introduce the words along with a sight word if you want, or just the picture and the word. So if it's like A and A as an alphabet, A for the phonic sound, and then you can say apple. What else is there in that? Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. So it's got about 2-3 pieces, so the child can easily fix it. And it's easy, so that if it's set in it, we can also put it back in the same place. So it's got an ambulance, an aeroplane, so we can show those as well, and we can teach that. So each of it has about 4 to up to a maximum of 5 such pictures also in it. So I'm just doing another one here. Let's see how F works. So we can also use it for tracing. Okay, other than just the puzzle, the external, after removing the puzzles as such, we can also get creative. I was just going creative right now. We can give that separately, put some kinesthetic sand or something like that inside it, and we can ask the child to trace along the border, So fan, fish. So that's about it. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. More videos on such unboxing I will leave in the description box below. Thank you for subscribing to Simply at Home. Bye bye.